Hi, I'm Swati. I built founderforge for founders who can code with AI but can't audit what the AI produces. Vibe coding lets a non technical founder describe a feature in plain English and get working code back, but that founder ships the code without being able to read it. Hard coded API keys or missing access controls. Google's white paper calls it the "it works, ship it" fallacy. Founder Forge is 5 agents on Google's ADK. The planner turns a plain English request into a precise spec. The coder writes code from the spec. The test writer writes PyTest tests. Then a self correcting loop. The runner runs the tests, and if any fail, the coder fixer fixes the code and it tries again. Finally, the reviewer runs real security scans, bandit and secrets detection, and writes a plain English report. Two things make this different. Security is baked in as real code, the AI being asked nicely to be careful, and the founder never reads code. They read the reviewer's report. The pipeline never auto deploys. Here's a real captured run. This is my cell, and I was able to capture it despite a lot of 503 errors. I was able to capture this. The planner produced a precise spec with numbered rules. The coder wrote code, and the test writer wrote 13 tests. The runner reported all tests passed on the first try, and the security scanners came back clean. You can look here, the test writer performed the tests. It says all tests passed. So this is the demo run that I captured that ran successfully. The most interesting thing I learned came from a bug I made myself. Early on, test writer wrote tests that contradicted themselves because the planner spec was too weak. So each agent invented its own rules. The fix was making the planner produce precise specs with numbered rules and worked examples. Downstream agents couldn't disagree anymore. That's spec-driven development from the Google white paper. But I had to break it to understand it and make sure it's working right. And it generates a reviewer report like this, talking about if there are any critical issues or if there are any warnings. That's my project. Thank you for watching.